Hi everyone, today we're going to make these delicious minty cookies and cream cheesecake bars. To that we're going to need some cream cheese, some salt, Greek yogurt, sugar, peppermint extract, butter, eggs, and Oreo cookies mint flavor and Oreo cookies additional but without the cream. So we're going to need the separate ones. And to that we're going to use our 36 cookies. We're going to take the cream away. We will not be using the cream in here. And in a food processor, we're going to use the cookie crumbs for the crust. We're going to add in our butter. And we're just going to mix that to combine. Make sure it gets coated. You got to see if it needs a little more butter, add some more butter. And using a 13 by 9 by 2 inch pan, we're gonna lay it out with a heavy-duty foil spray with the cooking spray, non-stick cooking spray. Then place our cookie crumbs with the butter mixture, and we're just gonna put it to bake on 350 for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna be making the cream. So the cream cheese and sugar, and then we're gonna add the rest, which is the eggs, the Greek yogurt, mint extract, and salt. So we're going to combine everything together and have everything smooth. Once everything is smooth, it's all ready to go. So I've chopped up some the Oreo mint flavor into quarters. So have that ready. This is been baked already, so we're gonna pour it in here. Yeah, make sure you use the non-stick cooking spray so it doesn't stick. So after it's been baked 10 minutes, we're gonna pour in our mixture. Try to do carefully and evenly. And we're gonna sprinkle on top, and my kids are helping me here. And we're just gonna sprinkle it on top, and we're gonna put this to bake 325 degrees for about 20-25 minutes, or until it looks set in the middle. So this is a ready look. So you can still see that it's a little jiggly, which is totally okay. And then we're just gonna leave it like that for at least 2 hours, and then we're gonna refrigerate the rest hour. And let's see what it looks like after it's been done. So after it's been refrigerated, yeah, you want to keep it covered not to get the fridge smell. And now we're just going to lift it out, and as you can see, because of the cooking spray, it doesn't stick, which is awesome. And that's what you get, this pretty look. That looks awesome. So now you can shape it whatever, into squares, to rectangles. I've shaped it into bars, which is rectangles, which is nice. And then you just enjoy while it serve it cold. We like to eat this straight from the fridge, tastes better. And yeah, so that's how it looks. Enjoy, bake it for your friends, bake it for your family. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and you'll be getting more great videos like these. As you can see, it's so beautiful. And yeah.